Okay, good morning all of you. In today's session of number systems, we are going to do the topic HCF and LCM. So I am straight away giving you the homework questions. The first homework, this is the homework, first question of homework. LCM of two numbers is 1890 and HCF is 30. So if one of the numbers is 270, then find the other. So LCM of two numbers is 1890, HCF is 30. If one of the two numbers is 270, then you have to find the other. Now for doing this sum, the formula is so for doing this sum, you have to use this formula, HCF into LCM equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, for doing this sum, you'll have to use this concept that HCF into LCM is product of the two numbers. So this is the first homework question. Okay, next we go to question number 2, LCM of 4.5, 0.009 and 0.18. So these are the options 4.5, 45, 0.225 and 2.25. These are the options. Now for doing this sum, the method is okay, HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Okay, suppose you want to find the HCF of a bunch of fractions. So the formula is HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Suppose you want to find the LCM of fractions, then the answer will be LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So this is the theory for doing sum number 2. Okay, question number 3. What is the least number of planks if 3 pieces of timber, 42 meter, 49 meter, 63 meter, have to be divided into planks of equal length. Okay. The question is that what is the least number of planks if 3 pieces of timber 42 meters, 49 meters, 63 meters have to be divided into 3 planks of equal length. So you have 3 pieces of timber whose length is 42, 49 and 63, and you want to divide them into planks of equal length. Then what is the least number of planks? So for this, what you have to do? You have to do HCF. You have to do HCF, because if you do HCF of these 3 numbers, then that will give you the longest length of plank, which can be common to all of them. And then you have to divide each of these numbers by the HCF and do the total, right? So what you have to do again, first you have to do the HCF of these 3, so that will give you the longest plank that you can get from any of these, and then each of these numbers you have to divide it by the HCF and you have to add the whole thing. So that means question number 3, you have to find the HCF. Question number 4. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which when divided by 10, 11, 15 and 22 leaves remainders 3, 4, 8 and 15. And options are 9907, 9903, 9893 and none of these. So what you will have to do in this sum is that first you have to find the LCM of 10, 11, 15 and 22, right? First you will have to find the LCM of 10, 11, 15 and 22. So first find LCM of 10, 11, 15 and 22. Now ask yourself which is the greatest 4-digit number. So the greatest 4-digit number is 9999, 4 times 9. Then you divide 9999 by the LCM. Like you find LCM of 10, 11, 15, 22 and you divide 9999 by the LCM. After you divide it by the LCM, you will get a remainder. After you divide 9999 by the LCM, you will get a remainder, right? So what you will have to do is that you will have to subtract (9999) minus remainder. If you do 9999 minus remainder, then you will get the largest multiple largest 4-digit multiple of these four numbers. If you do 9999 minus remainder, you will get the largest 4-digit multiple of these numbers, right? So you will get largest 4-digit multiple of these four numbers. Okay? If you do 9999 minus remainder, you will get the largest 4-digit multiple of these four numbers. Now this largest 4-digit multiple of the four numbers, okay, from this largest 4-digit multiple of the numbers, you subtract any one. Suppose you subtract 10 and you add the remainder corresponding to that. So you have got the largest 4-digit multiple of these four numbers. From that you subtract any one of the four numbers. Suppose you subtract 10 and you add the corresponding remainder 3. Okay, or you can subtract 11 and you can add 4, or you can subtract 15 and you can add 8, or you can subtract 22 and you can add 15. So just remember that you will have to do like this, that find 9999 minus remainder, right? That will give you the largest 4-digit multiple of these four numbers. From that you subtract 10 and add 3, or subtract 11 and add 4, or subtract 15 and add 8, or subtract 22 and add 15. And that will give you the answer. So this is how you have to do question number 4. Okay, 4 bells tolled together at 9 a.m. Okay, 4 bells tolled together at 9 a.m. They toll after 7, 8, 11 and 12 seconds respectively. How many times will they toll together? How many times will they toll together in the next 3 hours? That is the question. How many times will they toll together in the next 3 hours? So what you will have to do in this question is that you will have to first find the LCM of 7, 8, 11, 12. So find LCM of 7, 8, 11, 12. So first you will have to find the LCM of 7, 8, 11 and 12. And 3 hours you convert it to seconds. You convert 3 hours to seconds. you convert 3 hours to seconds and you divide it by this LCM, right? But you may not get a integer answer, you will have to round it off to the lower integer, okay? So I'll repeat again, you have to take LCM of 7, 8, 11 and 12 and 3 hours is being asked for. 3 hours you convert it to seconds, and after converting 3 hours to seconds, whatever you get, you divide it by the LCM of 7, 8, 11 and 12. After dividing it by the LCM of 7, 8, 11 and 12, you may not get an integer answer. So whatever answer you get, you round it off to the lower integer. And so these are the 5 homework questions, and you will have to submit it by 9 p.m. tomorrow, that means 9 p.m. of Tuesday. So I'll end the meeting for now. Thank you. Bye all of you.